Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm your host and favorite Dr. Phillips real estate enthusiast, Sajay. Before we get started, I wanted to preface the video by stating I am not a financial advisor, rather a Dr. Phillips resident, investor, and enthusiast who loves to promote the community. I also offer services related to realty, property management, and real estate coaching. If you're seeking any of these services within the Dr. Phillips area and would like to work with me, contact me via email, which can be found in the description below. My goal with this channel is to provide you with value, so if you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe so I know to continue bringing these videos to you. I'm going to work on providing you guys my own analytics for the DP area, but for now I'm going to go ahead and look into what Redfin is summarizing for the past year trends. We can see at the moment they're saying DP's pricing median is $540K. In the month of February, there were 15 homes sold. It's down 40% year over year from 25. And at the moment, the days on market is only 8, which is pretty low. We also see prices peaked here around 760K in October and have since come down. And most of our new joiners are coming from New York, Washington, and Boston. Welcome to Dr. Phillips. Here's a view of the top 10 places new DP residents are arriving from. Welcome once again. Shifting over to Zillow, we're going to look at the Dr. Phillips rental market. We see that the median rent is $2,600 per month. Month over month, we're seeing a $200 decrease in median rental price, and we see a $150 decrease year over year. We also see that there's a sharp decline here in median rent via the chart, but still prices are significantly higher for January and February year over year. And then the peak seems to be in July. So over summer, we see a sharp increase in rental prices. I'm curious to see how this trend will play out as we're currently seeing a decline month over month. As we head into the summer, things will pick back up. When compared to the average Orlando rental median, we see that Dr. Phillips carries a 21% higher premium on the market. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Southern Dr. Phillips market, which is comprised within the 32836 zip code. I also have it filtered up to a price range of $1.5 million and only for single family homes. This area is going to be along South Apopka Vineland Road. And then we do have new construction taking place here in Dale Carter Parkway, which is going to be the last development here in Dr. Phillips. It is being built by Pulte Homes, and we should get pricing information soon. Okay, this is a property we've seen before. It's still sitting on the market. The price per square footage is still quite high, and we can see it's been listed since February 4th. So let's keep an eye on this. I do like this community and area, but I do think this is significantly overpriced. I would put it closer to a square footage of $285 per square foot to $300 on the highest end. Especially considering the market seems to be turning around for the worst, I would probably come in even lower if I were really trying to price this to sell. All right, we have a large property here. It's a 4.4, 3,500 square foot. It's priced at $262 per square feet. That is a fair price per square footage for DP. Looks like a very beautiful property. The pool area is very nice. The pavered driveway is very nice. I'm liking the roof here, and the landscaping is quite nice. Built in 2003, so it's not too old of a home. This is also a gated community in a relatively secluded area tucked away within DP. Overall, I believe this is a well-priced property, and I believe it will sell quickly. Let's keep an eye on it. We have a 3.2, 1,900 square foot. I believe it's in the same community as the last. It's priced at $400 per square foot. Right off the bat, I think this is quite high, especially considering the other property was priced in the mid 200s and was quite nice. Let's take a look at this one. So similar build, pavered driveways, concrete tile roofs. It's modern, has a fireplace, that's nice. Beautiful kitchen. Wow, this is a really nice kitchen. Nice backyard. The property is in great condition, but the price per square footage is just too high in my perspective. I would say 320 per square foot on the highest end for this property within the current market condition, but I would be interested to see what price it actually sells at. All right, we have a property here. It's a 4.3, 2,400 square foot, two-story, and it's on 0.28 acres, so it's a good piece of land. Price of 284 per square foot. That's most likely a fair price for the area. I like the landscaping, but I probably would update it personally. The yard looks like it is well taken care of. I like the doors on the property. Lots of windows, big driveway, and looks like you have a chimney and fireplace. Screened backyard. You have a pool area in the back. Nice bathrooms, nice kitchen. And a nice lap pool. It's within Bristol Park, so that's a great community, great area. There are some amenities here, basketball and tennis courts. It's a nice touch. I think this is a fair deal, and I think it'll sell quickly. Let's keep an eye on it. A benefit to this property would be you're going to be in such a great area, but you're not going to suffer from the high HOAs of some of the gated communities. Okay, this property I believe has been sitting for some time. It's a 4.3, 2,865 square foot, price of 287 per square foot, and it's 0.38 acres. Compared to the last, this is a larger piece of land, lower HOA, and similar price per square foot. It has a pool in the back, a beautiful entry point, large driveway. I think this is a fair price. How long has this been listed? 30 days on Zillow. The market is turning around, so we are seeing some properties sit a little longer than before. All right, we have a property here in Phillips Landing. There's been a 25K price cut as of today, and it is 3,500 square foot. It's 4.4, price 1.275 million. So Phillips Landing is a very high-end community, HOA of $200 per month fee. This property is priced at $357 price per square foot. 24/7 guard gated community, elegance. There's lake access for a lot of properties in the back. Definitely, you're going to be a really great community. Beautiful property. It's updated. So you're getting great property, great location. I love the pool here. Great photo that they shot. I could see this coming down closer to 320 to 330 per square foot, but it's still within the general price range for the right buyer, as there are not too many guard gated communities in Orlando, and this community is one of the more sought after communities in general. All right, we have a 4.3 here, 2,400 square foot for 750K in Emerald Forest. It's a nice property, pavered driveway, really nice landscaping. Looks like a large lot of land. It's modern. Floors probably could be updated in the living area. There's a nice pool in the back, screened in. And Emerald Forest is close to Dr. Phillips Park, which is very nice. I do like Emerald Forest, but I think a price of 313 per square foot is too high. I would put it closer at the moment to 285 to 300. This probably could still sell and definitely would have went for this price a couple months ago. But as we're seeing more downward pressure, I would price it a little bit lower. Okay, we have a property here. It's a 4-4, 3,400 square foot. HOA $130 a month, and it's priced at 386 per square foot. It's a property within Parkside. Looks like they still have the Christmas decorations up. They probably need to add some better photos, is my first thoughts on this. Could be a downside, especially at such a high price per square footage. I think that this price per square footage is too high. I would come closer to 330 per square foot. Yeah, this is quite high. It's a relatively new home, but this is a pricing that they're giving to new construction here in DP, or a little bit less than that price, but I would put this property and this area closer to 330 per square foot or below, quite frankly. Okay, here we have a property priced at that 330 per square foot price range. It's a 4-5, 33 square feet, and it's just shy of 1,100,000. I probably would recommend they increase the lighting on these photos, but it's a very beautiful property, large backyard. Seems to be a lot of properties up for sale in Parkside at the moment. That increase in supply could bring down the overall prices per each house. We're seeing a price cut that took place here earlier in the month, so this has been sitting for some time. This is a very small price cut, just to re-trigger the market. It's a 5-5, 4,000 square foot, price at 328 per square foot. So it's similar to the last property. It doesn't have the screened-in backyard area. There's a tiny porch area here. I think the last property was slightly nicer. At this price per square foot, it's in line with the market. Okay, we see a much better priced home here in the same community. 4-4, 3,100 square foot, priced at $300 per square foot. I would price it here if these sellers really want to sell these properties, because this is closer to the fair market value at the moment. Plus, this property is actually newer than the last two we were looking at. The landscaping here is quite nice. Similar build otherwise. Yeah, this price per square footage is what buyers are going to want to see compared to the 330 and the 383. And then we have an individual here with a massive price cut and the lowest price per square footage within the Parkside area. It also is largest property on the market at 5,300 square foot, and I believe still the highest price at 1.4 million. This HOA of 240, this side of Parkside, which is separate than the other view that we looked at, is actually gated, and it's within estates at Parkside. So that's why the HOA here is significantly higher. Overall, this is the best deal on the market on this side, in my perspective, as you're getting the nicer, more premium community and much better price per square footage for the largest property. Okay, we see this property here in Phillips Grove, which is one of the newest developments here in Dr. Phillips. It's the newest, also built by Pulte, and they're building down the street, like we mentioned, at Parkview Reserves. It's priced at $315 per square foot. That's a great price per square foot for a new construction, 2019, so not the newest, but pretty much brand new. So this property is also gated compared to Parkside, and they are still building homes as we speak here in this community, but it is largely finished. And I like this picture here. It really showcases the great location of Dr. Phillips. You see Animal Kingdom, Epcot, and Disney Springs quite close by. And as we mentioned, the new builds in Dr. Phillips, we can see price tags in the 400 plus price per square foot range. This is a 4.3, 2,687 square feet, 1.2 million. It's a beautiful property, very similar to the last that we saw. This does seem to be the highest price on the market per square foot at the moment, but considering it is the newest build and a really nice community, I think that's fair. I'll keep you all updated as more information comes in from Parkview Reserve, but it should be a really great community here in Dr. Phillips, also gated, but I believe it will not be a guard gated community, still in construction in the early phases, but pricing will be released soon. Okay, and we have this property here in Highland Woods Court. It's a 4.3, 3,400 square feet. It's in Buena Vista Woods, which is a very nice community, great location. It's ungated, so you're gonna have a lower HOA, 0.26 acres, which is a good piece of land, and priced at $245 per square foot. This is one of the lowest price per square foot we see on the market. Once again, this is a larger property, but overall, this is a great deal for the right buyer. And just food for thought, when you're purchasing such a large property, there's good chances you could find more bedrooms to make the home more profitable for an investment. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends who may be interested in Dr. Phillips. Please contact me via email for any realty, property management, or coaching inquiries. Lastly, if there's a particular deal you would like me to analyze in greater detail as your boots are on the ground, please go ahead and contact me. Thanks all, and I hope you have a great day.